SunnyDay Kids TV! Hello kids! Today, we are going to learn numbers 1 to 10 and learn colors of the fruits. Are you excited? Alright, let's begin! 1 apple. 1 apple. 2 balloons. 1 2 balloons. 3 cakes. 1 2 3 cakes. 4 cars. 1 2 3 4 cars. 5 lollipops. 1 2 3 4 5 lollipops. 6 cups. 1 2 3 4 5 6 cups. 7 balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 balls. 8 birds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 birds. 9 pencils. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 pencils. 10 ducks. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ducks. Great job, kids!
Now, let's find out the colors of the fruits.
Say fruit. Fruit. That's right. Do you know this fruit? Yes, it's a banana. Banana. What color is it? That's right. It's yellow color. Do you know this fruit? Yes, it's a watermelon. Watermelon. What color is it? That's right. It's red color. Very good. Do you know this fruit? Yes, It's an apple. Apple. What color is it? That's right. It's red color. Great job! Do you know this fruit? That's right. It's an orange. Orange. What color is it? That's right. It's orange color. Very good. Do you know this fruit? Yes. It's a pineapple. Pineapple. What color is it? That's right. It's yellow color. Do you know this fruit? Yes. It's a strawberry. Strawberry. What color is it? That's right. It's red color. Do you know this fruit? Yes. It's grapes. Grapes. What color is it? That's right. It's violet color. Do you know this fruit? Yes. It's blueberry. Blueberry. What color is it? That's right. It's blue color. Do you know this fruit? Yes, that's right. It's a mango. Mango. What color is it? That's right. It's yellow color. Yum yum. Do you know this fruit? Yes. It's an avocado. Avocado. What color is it? That's right. It's green color. Great job! Thank you for listening and watching. Please do subscribe for more updates. SunnyDay